Can I change the email address associated with my WhatsApp account?
Hello there. If you're wondering whether you can change the email address associated with your WhatsApp account, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the process and answer that very question.
Can I really change my email address on WhatsApp?
Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't use email addresses for account creation or sign-in. Instead, it uses your phone number. However, the email address comes into play when you set up two-step verification for added security.
Why is the email address important for WhatsApp?
When you enable two-step verification, WhatsApp asks for an email address. This is to send a link to reset your PIN if you forget it. It's essential because 1. It's a backup method to regain access. 2. Ensures that you're not locked out of your account.
How do I change my email for two-step verification?
If you've set up two-step verification and wish to change the email address associated with it, 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. 2. Navigate to Account Two-Step Verification. 3. Here, you can edit the email address. 4. Enter your new email and confirm it. Make sure it's an address you have access to. So, while you can't change an email address for account access, since WhatsApp uses phone numbers for that, you can update the email tied to your two-step verification for added security. Always ensure your contact details are up to date to avoid any account issues. Hope this guide has been helpful, and happy texting!